Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial, and in this video I will be showing you how you can make a very simple geometric pattern on this A4 size document, and then you can use the same document to get it printed for your mobile covers, your mugs, or even your t-shirts. So it's super easy to do, and let's begin. So before I start, I would like to remind you all to make sure that the Essential Classics options has been switched on from this drop-down box below. Then only you will be able to see all these tools right here on your screen. So the first things I want to do is make different rows right here. Right. So we can easily do that with this rectangle tool. And I'll make sure that there is no fill by clicking on this none option. And let's roughly start by making some rectangle shapes like that. Right, so let's make different copies or more copies out of this. So while this rectangle is still selected, we'll click on Alt and then just drag our mouse down like that. Right, so we'll do this again, clicking on Alt while selecting a rectangle shape and bringing it down. So to another shortcut way to do this is we can easily do that, make several copies by clicking on Ctrl+D. And let's do this another time, and there you go. Right. So that's that. So it's okay if you get some space underneath here, you can let it be. So we'll be focusing mainly on this. Right, so let's start. So we can use this rectangle tool again and make some more rectangles going across like that. Right, let's do this process again and create more copies. Clicking on Alt, clicking and dragging my mouse like that. Wait. Yep. So the previous step didn't really happen on my laptop for some reason. And we can do that, repeat the same process with the shortcut with Ctrl+D. Right, so once this copy is made like that, so let's select this again and Ctrl+D and like that. We'll bring this one a little closer like that. So now we'll take this line segment tool and from this corner we take our line going all the way down here. So we'll keep doing that, and it's okay if it's not perfect, it's not happening the way you wanted it to be. So you can design it or design your own shapes like this, like that. And like this. This is a little time taking, but I'm hoping that it's gonna come out pretty nice the way I imagined it to be. And like that, and this one can go over here. Similarly, this one can come over here. So now let's do the same thing with the other direction as well, like that. Like this. It's okay, this is not coming out to be too symmetrical. I kind of like asymmetrical things as well, like this. look starting to get some shape and form. Okay. Like that. Like that. So it is kind of like an asymmetrical design we just made. Right, so if we select all of this, and if we go to this shape builder tool right here, right, so it recognizes these individual spaces like that, since it's all close and it's all interconnected like that. Right, so we can go ahead and fill it in with different colors. Let's choose red first and just randomly color it wherever you want in these shapes, like that. You don't have to follow a certain script or anything. That's what I think creativity is all about, just going with the flow and trusting your creative instincts. Like that, maybe one over here, one small there, one this, like that, maybe this one, and this right here, this, like that. Let's choose a second color. Let's choose yellow, and we keep going. This starting to look a little bit more vibrant. Maybe this one, that one, this. Let's see this portion right here. This one maybe, this one maybe. Yeah, dark blue. This is actually pretty fun to do as well. Yes, that, this right here, slowly filling up the spaces. Maybe this one right here, here, and maybe that side, this side. Let's take, maybe let's take purple, and like that. I'm quite liking the way it's coming out now. I mean, it's a lot better than what I had imagined, really. And it's looking more abstract this way. Maybe one over there, one there, this one there, it's already there, this one, this one, this one. We're almost finished. Let's take pink. This one there, this one, this, there, there. Probably let's zoom in over here to get to that smaller space. Zoom in a bit more on this small space. Yep. Right. This time it's missing light green, and just filling it up with more. This, there. Going clickety click. Let's take orange. One, maybe I'll zoom in. I want to get into fill it this, and this one small one over there, this tiny one there, and one last final color. Let's take light blue and then just fill the rest with this color. So it's okay if some of these colors are overlapping with each other, and that's fine really. And just a few more clicks. Then zoom in. So this. No, wait, sorry. Wait, this one last there. Yeah, there's one another small tiny space here. Connect these two there. Oops. There. There. Yeah, I think we've covered up everything. And once that's done, no wait, I missed out a spot. Okay, go back, yellow, wait, oop, shape builder tool, yellow, this light blue still there, and there. Now we are done. Okay, so once that's done, we can go ahead and select all of them, or select them again, and remove the black strokes like that. And there you go. Our geometric shape, for it's more like an abstract now, is now ready. So let's go ahead and save this file. Click on Save As. So by default, the file name of this document comes up as geometric pattern again. We can save it the way it is, and or probably rename it to however you want. If you want to keep the name, we can keep it like that as well. And we'll keep the save as type to be Adobe Illustrator, and click on Save and OK. And that's it. Our geometric pattern has now been saved successfully. And now we've come to the end of this video. I hope you found this video to be useful, and with simple geometric shapes and line, you can make any type of geometric shapes you want, and use this again for your mobile covers, your wallpaper, or anywhere you would like to use this illustrations for. So thank you for watching and keep practicing.